Hey, to install apps from the unknown sources on the Redmi Pad SE, first of all you have to open the settings. Next you have to scroll down and open the privacy protection. Right now we have to go to the special permissions and then scroll down to go to the install unknown apps. And here you will have all apps that you have on your device. So for example, if you are downloading any unknown apps from your browser, for example you are using the Google Chrome, so it should appear right here at the top of the list, and you can enable permission. So right now click right here and wait until this few seconds disappear. You have to click on OK right now. And right now when you are on the browser and you want to download any unknown apps, you will be able to do this by the Google Chrome. If you are using any other browser or application, like for example you are downloading something from your Google Drive, you can also do this by selecting your drive and tapping on this arrow. And then of course click OK right here. And that's all. Bye bye.